यार ट्रेडिशनली जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स को मास्टर ऑफ वन से ज्यादा इज्जत मिलती है। स्कूल में वो बच्चा नहीं होता जो फुटबॉल भी खेलता है, क्रिकेट टीम का हिस्सा भी है, एनुअल डे पे नाचता भी है और एग्जाम्स में साले के 80-85% भी आ जाते हैं। No, this guy always gets more popularity than an absolute jock or an absolute geek. But when we come into the real world, years later, the absolute geek guy becomes a tech billionaire. The not so good looking jock has a glow up of his lifetime when he enters the IPL, and a dumb but a very good looking girl becomes a model or an actress. I'm not saying कि ये जो all rounders होते हैं, these people do not succeed in real life. They do, and they especially succeed in corporate world because they carry a lifetime of social skills. People spend years mastering a craft, like 1000 बार फेल होते, 1000 बार उठते, they juggle with hundreds of variables to become expert at something, and suddenly one day कोई टैम सॉल्टमैन आ जाता है, एक जादू की छड़ी देता है और बोलता है कि ये लो, आज से हर चूतिया एक्सपर्ट है, इस चिराग को घिसो, एक जिन बाहर आएगा, जो चाहे वो दे देगा. Obviously, I'm talking about artificial intelligence, and I was wondering, have we lost space for any kind of expert in this world? Especially the craftsman who has spent years mastering a particular craft. I know, you'll say, no, it's just about soft arts like writing, painting, graphic artist, maybe video editing, but it is just going to be a matter of time before a robot comes in who is going to be a master furniture maker or a ceramic maker, or put it into any part of the world, it is going to be an expert. Are we all lost for a cause? I feel it's often the chaos that brings in the clarity. Every artificial intelligence needs the right question to be asked. So I am not going to sell you a course on prompt engineering. I just want some clarity for myself about this whole chaos. So थोड़ा clarity लेते हैं खुद AI से. Let's ask him. इतना burning question है तो पूछ ही लेते हैं. I've slogged years mastering my craft, and with you, anyone can produce anything like writing, videos, images, like an expert. So, where do I fit in this world? And did I just lose my relevance? Let's see. Okay, that's a really profound and understandable feeling, and it's a question many professionals are asking. Okay. Your irreplaceable value, the human element, vision, intent, problem solving, empathy, connection, ethical consideration. बहुत बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स है, but if someone can produce same output as I do with AI, how do I maintain my livelihood? What is my family going to eat? But I feel this is the main question. It's not about whether humans are going to be here no matter what. Point है कि भाई खाना कौन देगा? अगर मेरा जॉब AI करेगा तो मुझे कौन पैसा देगा? It's about concentration of money at a point. Oh, this is the core anxiety for many, obviously, and it's absolutely valid. ठीक है, don't compete with AI, partner with it. Okay, become an alchemist, become a master prompt engineer. Okay, refinement, curation is your superpower. Use AI better. Shift your value proposition to focus on why and what if. Explore new business models, lifelong learning and adaptability. तो बोल रहा है कि एक नया एज बनाओ with AI. I know it's not a doomsday scenario, but still. एक मेन क्वेश्चन है यार. I know adaptation is the thing we have to do with everything. Typewriters came, printing came, internet came, computers came. We always adapted, but this is one of the biggest adaptation curve for anybody. And there is something new here. Like you still not answered my question. You've still not answered my question of AI replacing me at a job. Adapt करने के लिए बोल रहा है. So this is saying, okay, you're right at pushback on that. My previous answer focused on how you can adapt, but it didn't really address the very real fear that AI could in fact replace you in the job, leading to a loss of livelihood. Let's be direct. Yes, AI has the potential to replace aspects of many jobs and in some cases entire roles. especially those are repetitive, predictable, and produce high volumes of standardized output. We are going to lose jobs. In a world that has in a world जहाँ पे पहले से लोगों के पास jobs नहीं है, AI is going to make people lose their jobs. Another question: are we looking at higher unemployment and concentration of wealth? You've hit upon the two of the most significant and widely debated social concerns regarding the rise of AI. AI tends to create winner-take-all markets. A few dominant AI companies can achieve unprecedented scale and market power, capturing a disproportionate share of economic value. This further concentrates wealth in the hands of a few tech giants and their founders/investors. It's good. It's good that AI is not denying कि ये होने वाला है. It's about understanding it and adapting to it. Anyways, an expert who has slogged for years in a craft doesn't just perfect the craft with his muscle memory. It's also his brain that is rewired. So if you're thinking you're going to write a story with the help of Gemini, I feel any day a Tagore or a Murakami is going to come up with a better story. So the point being, we still have a place for extremely great artists and extremely dumb people who are going to be at the extremes and become extremely successful and don't matter at all. But the point is about the mediocrity. Are we losing the mediocrity? Because anybody in the middle of the spectrum is going to produce the same output with the help of AI. छोड़ो यार, like I think we all can agree AI सबको एक दिन गुलाम बना ही देगा, and with social engineering we won't even realize that हम गुलाम है. तो वही बात हुई ना कि गम है, ये अगर पता ही ना हो तो किस बात का गम है.